I decided to do an unboxing for this survival kit that I got. It is a 151 piece survival kit that I got from Amazon. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy it. Looks like this is an emergency shelter. Let's see, it's 8 feet by 5 feet. This is a poncho, looks like raincoat poncho. One size fits all. And there you go. Looks like a pair of gloves. It's probably a medium to a large size. Plastic gloves. Doesn't see how many, so, and these are size large. I'm not sure what this is, but it's got a compass on it. I think it's probably like a wristband of some sort, it looks like, but I'm sure it has uses for something else. I just can't imagine what. So it's like a rope or string attached to it. And then we got some glow sticks, hot glow sticks. It says easy to activate, glow for hours, non-toxic. And yeah, 6-inch bar. Looks like a multi-tool. Probably got a knife, looks like knives, various knives, screwdrivers, nail file. I'm sure it's got some scissors or something in here, but anyway, we won't go through all of that. Rope. Fishing line with some hooks, looks like. Lures, one lure. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a whistle. Let's try it. Maybe it's not a whistle. It's just a cylinder, a hole. Looks like. Maybe it's to be used with a fishing line or something. Pen. Handy dandy. And a little metal punch to punch out windows. Looks like. A couple carabiners. Another little, I want to say it's a wristband, but it might not be, not sure. I think this might be a fire starter. Whistle. Whistle. Emergency rescue blanket. 130 by 210 centimeters. Bandages. First aid kit. I have to move my little pile here. Camping lamp. It's very small. And it says 1 watt LED flashlight. Anyway. And it says use 3 AAA batteries. Looks like a knife. a fork set, spoon set, looks like. Bottle opener. That's cute. Looks like another multi-tool with a knife. How about that? It works. And a little belt clip, I guess, that goes with it. This is a hand pressing flashlight, it looks like. Not sure how it works. Okay. Interesting. I have no clue what this is. Don't know. Looks like it. Right? It's like a spike of some sort. I don't know. Compass. Looks like an axe to me with a cover. It looks like it comes with a little tiny manual for the emergency kit. Maybe it tells you what all these little gadgets are. That would be helpful. Maybe a little, I want to say a saw. Stainless steel, but it's got little templates on it of some sort. Maybe this is what it is. Stainless steel multi-purpose pocket survival tool. There you go. It's got a can opener, a knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, direction ancillary indication, 2-position wrench, and a lanyard hole keyring hole. Looks like some wire and a couple of hoops or rings. And a little bag to put everything in. There. I think that's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Hope you learned something, and I'll try and put the link in my profile somewhere. Thanks.